Celebrity chef, actor, and father of two, David Burtka, joined us in the LifeMinute Studios last week to get us holiday ready.
During the holidays, I like to get everything prepped ahead of time. I write everything down on a sheet of paper, and I love to cross it off, whether it's like making my pies a couple of weeks ahead of time or making my cranberry sauce ahead of time, getting my table set up, having the kids go out and collect leaves to put on the table, or pressing my napkins. I also like to get everything chopped and kneesed out. That means like getting everything together for the big day, so all I have to do is like put my turkey in the oven and I don't have to worry about it. I can watch the parade on TV and let the turkey roast while I spend some time with family. It's really nice to do that and get everything ahead of time. I also get the kids involved, you know. It's really great to get the kids involved in the kitchen. Like I said, go let them play outside, give them a football so they can get nice big grass stains on their clothes. And also I love to decorate cookies for the holidays. So I also make my own sugar cookie dough. I roll it out. I take these awesome cookie cutters and I get them all baked ahead of time so everything is done. I get the royal icing all set so the kids are ready to decorate their cookies and get nice and creative with their mind. Give the kids a sheet tray like this so they're able to decorate the cookie on the sheet tray, because it's inevitable that they're gonna pour too much icing on it. It's gonna be soaked in icing, it's gonna be soaked in sprinkles, and it'll be much easier to clean up. But I'm sure that they'll take their hands, they'll lick their hands with sprinkles and frosting and wipe it on their clothes. And I am here because I partnered with Arm & Hammer plus OxiClean laundry detergent to make your life so much easier during the holidays. It's a great product. It eliminates odors and 101 stains. It leaves your clothes bright and white and odor-free. And it's gonna make your life easier during the holidays. I can guarantee it. It's cost-effective. And they've done this really fun thing, this campaign this year with TikTok. The Great Holiday Stain Off on TikTok at Arm & Hammer Laundry. You can go and watch all these crazy fun families deliberately staining their clothes to throw their clothes in the laundry and watching the magic happen before their eyes. It's a really fun thing to get involved in. And it's a great way to teach your kids how to do laundry before they get to college.
Burtka says his health is what he's most thankful for.
I have to say I'm thankful for our health. You know, I can't say one person because I have three really important people in my life. But the fact that we came off of this crazy pandemic and we're all still like going through this weird world of mask, not mask, vaxxed, all this wild stuff, that we do have our health right now. I feel like, taking care of yourself and being healthy and taking care of each other is the most important thing, I think, right now in my life.
As for traditions, he and the fam have a lot.
Wow, we have so many holiday traditions, and we love a holiday. We love celebrating holidays. Every single holiday is a big holiday, whether it's birthdays or 4th of July. We do it up. But I have to say, this year, I think our family photo for Halloween is my favorite holiday tradition. I was worried that once the kids got to be in their teen years that they weren't gonna have any fun with it. But this last year, they just still had a really good time with it. So I hope that they're still doing it within their 20s.
And how is he spending the holidays?
We're doing a West Coast holiday this year. Our good friends our kids had grown up with Elton John and David Furnish's kids, and Elton is actually having his last show at Dodger Stadium on November 20th. So we're all going to have a West Coast Thanksgiving this year. We're gonna be there for the last show and then spend some time with friends in LA for the holidays. So I don't think I'm doing a lot of cooking, which is good for me. I get a break.